The QBZ-191 is a Chinese assault rifle chambered for the 5.8 by 42 mm cartridge, designed and manufactured in China. The rifle has many features similar to the US AR15 rifle or the M16 rifle, but also vary in many aspects. This mAh rush of the only major power not adapting an AR15 configuration. It is a major breakthrough in Chinese infantry weapon history, replacing Type 95 rifle by the end of this decade. The new rifle was officially revealed at the 70th Anniversary National Day Military Parade in 2019. Chinese military initiated the project in 2014, various prototypes entered a competition. The winning design is from 208 Research Institute, who also designed the Type 95 assault rifle. There is ongoing controversy about 208 Research Institute. Some believe the organization is far behind modern rifle design technology, but it appears the QBZ-191 matches most modern rifles in terms of key features. At the moment there is not much detail about how the new rifle is in real practice. Time will tell whether 208 Institute designs a great rifle or not. Compared to the bullpup design of Type 95, the QBZ-191 uses a conventional configuration with greatly improved ergonomics and ambidextrous usability. Reliability is greater than before, based on official media reports. Similar to AR-15, the platform features various barrel lengths, a carbine and a longer-distance accurate rifle are available. The rifle features a full-length Picatinny rail on the top. A new 3x daylight prismatic optic, codename QMK-152, is issued to the soldiers. A thermal sight is available. The rifle has backup iron sights that can be folded. The aluminium alloy body is divided into the upper and lower receivers, similar to AR-15. Other parts are based on polymer material. 2 assembly pins are the key parts to connect everything. There is a reciprocating charging handle on the right side, which is controversial as many believe that modern rifles should have non-reciprocating charging handle on the left-hand side. The weapon features a short-stroke piston gas operation design, very different from AR-15, but close to some modern rifles similar to AR-15, such as AK-47 rifle. The rifle has 4-position adjustable buttstock, ambidextrous fire selector and an easy-to-use AK-style magazine release lever. The charging handle and magazine release lever are improved design based on AK-47. Some suggested as Chinese soldiers converted from Type 95 are not familiar with AK-47, there is no reason to give them a AK-style charging handle. Others commented that reciprocating charging handle will not cause much trouble. The rifle is paired with redesigned DBP-191 5.8 by 42 mm ammunition, with better effective range. Full auto rate of fire is 750 rounds per minute. Aside from optics, the rifle can have bayonet, flashlight, handle, bipods, laser module and suppressor added. The rifle will be paired with brand new Chinese QBZ-191 machine gun, a new squad automatic weapon, replacing Type 95 squad machine gun. This will bring Chinese Army squad weapons to the same level as the US Army. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. It will really help us developing this channel and bring you more videos about Chinese military news. Thank you.